Yo, what's good everybody? Fall winter time is here and your boy has been going ahead and trying to cop some items heading into the fall winter time. Hopefully you guys do enjoy this video. What I've been copying as of lately usually does very well. Help me out with the YouTube algorithm by smashing the like button, subscribing if you guys are new here, and let's go ahead hop into the fall winter pickup. All right, you guys, so before we go ahead and hop into today's video, I feel like a lot of you guys have been asking me what blanks I've been wearing as of lately, and we finally went ahead and dropped the new Flake Studios blanks, which is what I'm currently wearing right now. You do have the nice thick collar. I find these to be perfect under cardigans, hoodies, flannels. We dropped them in 2 different colorways if you guys are interested in them. We do have a nice washed version and a plain white version, which is what I'm currently wearing right now. But yeah, a lot of you guys have been commenting about it, so if you guys want to purchase them, go ahead and hit that link down below and then tune back into the video. All the support does mean a lot. If you guys have copped one already, hopefully you guys do enjoy them as much as I do. So hopping into the first pickup of this video, a lot of you guys have asked for a styling video when it comes down to this shoe, which will be dropping shortly after this video, so stay tuned for that. We went ahead and paid resale for the Union Jordan 1 collaboration from the recent drop. Shout out to the homie Zay, who actually picked these up from Syndicate Los Angeles. It was cool to go ahead and get the whole experience. He sent me the bag and everything. But yeah, I didn't go for these originally and I felt like I slept on them, so I went ahead and paid around like $125 over retail. So when it comes down to this sneaker, your boy did go ahead and sleep on these at first, but I'm super happy that I was able to go ahead and pick them up a little bit above retail. These aren't going for much like most sneakers nowadays, but this is definitely top 5 sneakers to drop this year. I feel like they're very wearable, and once you see these on feet, I promise you guys will love them. I cannot wait to go ahead and style them for you guys. But yeah, did go true to size in these. Once again, shout out to the homie Zay who picked these up from Syndicate Los Angeles. Make sure to go ahead and show him some love on the gram. But yeah, there you guys have it. Union 1, size 9.5. Your boy paid $325. Moving on to the next pickup. This is kind of random, but if you guys didn't follow me on Instagram, I do work at Feature. They recently moved me from Feature Win to Feature Chinatown. So if you guys are interested in visiting me, make sure to go ahead and go to the Spring Mountain location versus the Win location, which is where I used to be. But the homie went ahead and gave me this undefeated chair as like a goodbye gift, which I found pretty cool because, nice little stool to have in the room. But yeah, there you guys have it. Random pickup. I believe these are available for like 20 bucks on the website. Just a cool little room decor piece that I thought I should go ahead. I wanted to give a big thank you to Eddie Win, someone I've been watching since high school, which I find amazing. It's super cool that he went ahead and sent over a care package. If you guys don't know about Eddie Win, just an OG YouTuber when it comes down to styling and tips with sneakers and everything like that. If you guys want to go ahead and check him out, his page will be right here. But truly, it's been crazy because I've been watching him since I was little, and your boy just recently got a care package from him, so it's been surreal. Super crazy in my opinion, but he recently sent over the Nautica Win collaboration, something that he's been working on, re-releasing pieces that he used to wear as a kid and put his own take on it. So here you guys have it, the Win Nautica hat that he sent over, and he also sent over some nice sweatpants with the nice green hit and the navy cargo pockets on the side as well, which is a cool detail when it comes down to these sweats. Personally, I love the green colorways when it comes down to his collection. And if you guys are interested in purchasing anything, I'll link them down below. He also sent over this really nice windbreaker. It does say Nautica Win on the back. I'm for sure going to be wearing this when snowboarding. Such a good piece to have. And then it does have a nice little embroidery hit right here. Bright red, so you guys know it's going to pop when it comes down to wearing this. And then last but not least, the care package also did have the Eddie Win original t-shirt, super clean. It says Nautica Win on the front, and then just nice navy and red color. So now that we got the homie pickups out of the way, I've been picking up some stuff from the recent Stussy drop. So I went ahead and bought this nice green vest. It does say Stussy on the front with the black hit right here. And just something I wanted to wear over like a crew neck or a hoodie. If you guys are interested in this, I believe it's still available, and I went true to size with a size large. I feel like this green is just gonna go ahead and pop on the darker fall winter days. Super clean in my opinion, very wearable colorway, and something that I just wanted to try out. So yeah, pick this up from the recent Stussy collection. Heading into another item that's sold out on the Stussy drop. I don't know, I kind of picked this one out of random, but I did go ahead and pick up the mohair dice sweater, something that I feel like this was highly sought after, so I wanted to go ahead and maybe try it out. Super clean. I don't know exactly what event I'll be wearing this to, but there you guys have it. You guys can see the dice on the sleeve and the front as well. I'll probably wear these with my Wrangler Rancher pants, something, super basic, super clean. But yeah, I don't know if this is here to stay in the collection, to be honest, because I feel like this is an item that you can only wear from time to time. But yeah, it was super cool to go ahead and pick this up because I don't know if there's value. So heading into the next pickup, a lot of you guys ask about these flannels when I wear them on Instagram. If you guys are interested in sizing, I do wear the 1 size or the extra large flannels. Just please keep in mind they all fit differently. Some of them may fit, you know, a little weird because these are one of one, like resewed pieces. This needles flannel that I recently bought is a size extra large and it fits me perfectly. The reason why I bought this one is because I was actually helping out a customer or a client, and I kind of just saw this one and I was like, oh, let me try it on, and I fell in love with it, so I ended up purchasing it. I do love the darker colors compared to the other ones that I have that are kind of more on the lighter side. You guys, so if you follow me on Instagram, which you guys definitely should, you guys know I go on my morning runs from time to time. So I went ahead and picked up these 12-13 running goggles or glasses, you know, on my little frat boy wave, maybe wear these to a party, shotgun a couple beers. But yeah, there you guys have it, the nice 12-13 running glasses. I definitely have been wearing these on my morning runs so the sun doesn't get in my eyes. Personally, super affordable. Really love what Andy does with 12-13 being affordable for the people. But yeah, there you guys have it, 12-13 performance glasses. He also went ahead and nicely threw in a free pair of socks. So Andy, appreciate you, bro, for looking out for me. So one thing I always want to let you guys know, on the channel we're going to try different type of styles and different types of fashion, and buying this shoe right here was definitely a different style for me away from the sneakers that we have behind me. But your boy went ahead and purchased the Adrian Doc Marten loafers. Let me know what you guys think about these down below in the comment box. Definitely a different wave. I did post these on Instagram and a couple of you guys commented saying they were tough. So let me know what you guys think about these. Definitely a different look when it comes down to my style, but this is definitely me trying new things, you know, and I feel like that's important when it comes down to fashion or styling. You got to try new things and not just stick in your own wave. Try different looks, have fun with it. So yeah, purchase these Doc Martens. I'm not too sure how I feel about them just yet. I've only worn them one time, but maybe these will be heavy in the rotation, maybe they won't. Yes, that does wrap it up for today's video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy it. If you did, make sure to go ahead and smash the like button for me. Subscribe if you guys are new here. Drop a comment down below, and if you guys want to go ahead and show love to the kid, make sure to go ahead and purchase a new Flake Studios blank. Trust me, I feel like you guys won't be disappointed in these. A really good bang for your buck when it comes down to a solid blank in your rotation. I'm not even just saying that. I really love this shirt right here, and I've been wearing this one a ton. I've washed it. It's held its ground. The neck has been still very nice on the collar. But yeah, thank you guys so much for all the support as of lately. Links to everything will be down below. I'll catch you guys in the next video, which will be me styling the Union 1s. Thank you guys. You guys have a good day. Catch y'all. Peace. And if you guys watched to the end of the video, just so I know you guys watched the whole way through, make sure to go ahead and comment the dice emoji, just so I know you guys watched the whole way through. And more videos dropping soon, you guys. I appreciate the love.